Why is my Python regex not matching as expected? Imagine trying to find a friend in a crowded room and not seeing them because your search pattern is off. That's what happens when your Python regular expression does not match as you expect. Let's explore why that might be happening and how to fix it. First, check your pattern syntax. Regular expressions are very precise. Missing escape characters or using special characters incorrectly can cause mismatches. For example, if you want to match a literal dot, you need to escape it with a backslash. Forgetting to do that will match any character instead of just a dot. Also, parentheses are used to group parts of your pattern. If they are not balanced, your pattern will not work as intended. Next, consider greedy versus lazy quantifiers. Quantifiers like the asterisk or plus are greedy by default, meaning they match as much as possible. This can cause your pattern to match more than you want. To make it match as little as possible, add a question mark after the quantifier. For example, using instead of can help your pattern match only what you need. Anchors and boundaries are another common source of trouble. The caret symbol matches the start of a string, and the $sign matches the end. If you place them incorrectly, your pattern might not match at all. Word boundaries, written as +b, match positions between word characters and non-word characters. Misunderstanding how they work can cause your pattern to mismatches. Escaping special characters is vital. Characters like asterisk, plus, and have special meanings in regex. If you want to match them literally, you must escape them with a backslash. Otherwise, Python will interpret them as part of the pattern syntax, leading to unexpected results or errors. Lookaround assertions, such as lookahead and lookbehind, are powerful but tricky. They let you match a pattern only if certain conditions are true before or after it. Python requires lookbehinds to be fixed width, meaning they cannot be variable length. If you try to use a variable length lookbehind, your pattern will not match or will cause an error. Sometimes, the string you are searching contains hidden characters like newlines or carriage returns. The dot character does not match newlines unless you specify the re.DOTALL flag. Without this, your pattern might not match lines that contain line breaks. Flags modify how regex works in Python. For example, re.IGNORECASE makes matching case-insensitive. Re.MULTILINE changes the behavior of start and end anchors to work with each line in a multi-line string. If you forget to set these flags when needed, your pattern may not find what you are looking for. Another common mistake is using the re.match function. It only checks for a match at the beginning of the string. If the pattern appears later in the string, match will not find it. Instead, use re.search, which scans the entire string for a match. When replacing text or finding overlapping matches, your pattern needs to be carefully crafted. For example, matching inside quotes requires patterns that exclude quoted text or use lookarounds to avoid matching inside quotes. Finally, testing your regex on online tools can help, but always verify in Python because the engine might behave slightly differently. Printing the raw string with repr can reveal hidden characters that affect matching. To avoid these issues, always use raw strings for your patterns like your pattern. Start simple and add complexity gradually. Use grouping and named groups to capture parts of your matches. Apply the right flags for your needs. Use functions like re.FindAll to get all matches, re.sub to replace, and re.split to split strings. When you want to exclude certain parts like inside quotes, use lookarounds carefully. Debug by printing your matches and unmatched parts. Remember, a well-constructed regex pattern is key to making your Python automation and scripting projects work smoothly.